Learn subtraction. Yeah! 2 minus 1 equals 1. Yeah! 4 minus 2 equals 2. Yeah! 6 minus 5 equals 1. Yeah! 5 minus 3 equals 2. Yeah! 3 minus 2 equals 1. Yeah! 7 minus 2 equals 5. Yeah! 7 minus 1 equals 6. Let's have a quick revision. 3 bowls minus 2 bowls equals 1 bowls. 4 mouses minus 2 mouses equals 2 mouses. 4 parrots minus 1 parrot equals 3 parrots. 4 mangoes minus 3 mangoes equals 1 mango. 4 cans minus 1 cans equals 3 cans. 5 flowers minus 1 flower equals 4 flowers. 5 chocolates minus 3 chocolates equals 2 chocolates. Thank you for watching this video. Please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Yeah!